Hi folks, I'm Derek and I'm going to show you our new office space. We're here in this beautiful wooded setting outside of Philadelphia. We love it here. We're excited about our new space. Wanted to give you a look. Let's go check it out. That works a lot better when there's someone on the other side. We did open a new office in the middle of the pandemic, but things are starting to open up a little bit and we're hoping to have people back soon. It's starting to happen a little bit. This is our main open area. We've got employee contributed art on the walls, beautiful stuff, and this is where we hang out, collaborate, have some impromptu meetings, things like that. Okay, and let's go check out our conference room here. If you have a meeting with us coming up and we do it in person, we might meet right here. Here we've got our partial client list for higher education. If you are a current or former client and your banner isn't up here, send us one in. We'll get you right up there in that prime real estate location. So this is really where the magic happens because we've got all kinds of coffee options. My favorite of which being the espresso machine. You can do your lattes, your Americanos, your straight espresso, whatever your heart desires. Perfect. Decaf. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Anyway, thanks for joining me and hope to see you in here sometime soon.
Ready for a rematch?